Hello everyone, my name is David and today I'll show you how to make a 3D text in Photoshop. This will be the easiest way in my opinion how to make it. I mean, I discovered this and I'm still continuing to use this method. I just created a normal page. It will be 1920 on 1080 is the full HD page, and now I have a black image. You don't really have to add a black image or even an image on this, but it will be easier for me to read and maybe for you. In any moments, okay, as I will have this image, let me drag it all the way down and fill the screen, and now I will press T as in Thomas and just click to add a text, and let's type 3D text tutorial in Photoshop. That will do it. Control and enter to save it. And now I want to make it bigger so it will be easier for you to read. I'll make it let's go to 50. Okay, and maybe I will change the font size, but this step doesn't really matter. 350, why not? And I have another image. This is white. I will make the other half of the screen white because you will see the difference this way. Okay, and I will put this layer underneath this text. Now you can see my text is green. You can change the color by clicking it, and if you scroll down here you can choose the color of the text so you want to make it. In my situation, I don't know, let's make it orange. We can go 500, and now let's start. I have the text, I have the background, everything I need. So in this situation, let's say I want to make this text 3D. First things first, what I do when I want to create a 3D text, first I will select the text, and here on the bottom right corner you can locate the effects of a text, and let's click on drop shadow. I will add just a very tiny drop shadow. You don't have to go really crazy with this one. Let's make the size, instead of 9 I will make it 4, and that will do it. Now it's very important, you will have to hold Alt on your keyboard, and at the same time when you have the cursor above the text, hold the left click, and you will just basically copy the first text. And what do you want to do with this? You will have to put it just a little bit to the right, and we somehow created a 3D text, but it's hard to read. What I want to do with the first text is orange. Let's make it let's select a darker orange. As an example, this one is like a brown. We can go black, but I want to keep the orange as the main color. The text that I copied, I will place it right where it was, and we just turn the text into a 3D text with this method. So the first text have to be a darker color, and the second one that we copied have to be like more vibrant. And now you have to personalize as you want. As an example, like this, or maybe like this, or like this. Yeah, it's working, or like this. So this is how to create a 3D text in Photoshop. This is, in my opinion, the easiest way how to make it. I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave any questions down in the comment section if you have any. Please have a great day.